Have you ever met a woman who's scared of becoming too bulky? It's a common fear for women to grow too big from strength training. But I think it sometimes holds them back from trying it out. Muscle on women is often portrayed as unfeminine and unattractive, while being lean or toned is promoted instead. It's no wonder women feel like they should avoid weight training. But this is a false belief. If you have MS, muscle is your salvation. Susie asked me where to start to create myelin. MS is 3 to 4 times more likely in women than in men. And it's what, in no small part, keeps them from restoring their myelin. Hey, it's Dave. Susie, we all need to start somewhere. Where you start is not the answer to why male and female MS rates are so different. Look at men and women. Men can be bulky and women can be curvy. But weight training has nothing to do with it. It comes down to sex hormones. These hormones influence muscle mass, fat distribution, bone mineral density, and nutrient metabolism. Believe me, women cannot become bulky from resistance training because there's a simple fact: they produce 10 times less testosterone than men. And to make that separation even more drastic, women have more estrogen, which counteracts testosterone's effect. But women, time and time again, buy into that fear. They will bulk up when they lift weights. Impossible. Without taking illegal drugs. At the very microscopic level, when you lift weights, a muscle cell's wall is damaged, releasing growth factors that cause your satellite cells to proliferate. Satellite cells are these certain cells that kind of, I just think of them as floating around your muscle cells. These satellite cells are the hidden players in fighting the immune system attack. Testosterone increases neurotransmitter levels and controls satellite cell activity. The satellite cells then fuse. After they're damaged, they fuse with your muscles, donating their nuclei and giving your muscle cells the opportunity to grow. Each time you boost resistance, you break down more muscle tissue, releasing more testosterone and further suppressing the immune system. Studies have shown that testosterone has a medium-sized immunosuppressive effect on immune function. And this is my opinion. This is scientific fact. Women produce their own small amount of testosterone each day in their ovaries and adrenal glands. Lifting weights is the most effective way to natural way to maximize that immunosuppressive effect. So ladies, lift as heavy as you can. The more often you lift, the more strength you will achieve, and the more active your testosterone levels will become. One aspect that can boost your testosterone levels even further is to avoid doing too much. It sounds counterintuitive, but it's true. Workouts lasting longer than an hour may start to spike cortisol levels, which lowers testosterone. But once you work out, don't neglect sleep. Not only is the combination of weightlifting and sleep the most effective way to make myelin, sleep is a time when your body produces testosterone. If you aren't getting enough sleep, your body won't be able to produce enough. More sleep results in higher levels of testosterone. And the beneficial effects are documented. Resistance training has been studied in women, and it specifically shows that weightlifting can increase testosterone levels. But let's not. I've already talked about, and I've said the word testosterone enough in this video. I want to stress the ultimate goal, which is to restore myelin. Weightlifting can do that. But testosterone is needed simultaneously to create immunosuppression that shuts down the MS attack. So it's a win-win situation. Ladies, what are your tips on the most effective ways that you found you can lift weights and grow? Or not grow, but to increase your level of resistance? Are you scared of bulking up like a man? Is your fatigue preventing you from starting? Let me know down in the comments. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss a video. Until the next one.